This video is from Fast Folks Casey, and one day when he was riding on his motorcycle, then this happens.
No! I just looped the fuck out of it. No way, bro. No. No fucking way. God damn it.
This is a perfect example of mistakes can happen by anyone. This video is from Max Wrist, when he riding on the smooth corners of the valleys when this happened. This video is from Living Like Larry, when one day he was been riding on the motorbike, then his bike suddenly caught fire on.
Fucking set on fire.
Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
You okay?
Yeah, roll back.
My bike caught on fire.
Okay.
But he's safe then with his motorbike. This video is from JVE Moto. When he's riding his dirt bike, then this happens. Next video is from CJ Media. This happened when he missed the corner. Comment down below guys, do you ever kind of face a situation like that? So that's it for today guys, I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to subscribe and I hope you learn a lot of things from that clips. Thank you.